Alright, guys. Another simple strategy, but beautiful day. Um, as always, let's go to the Patreon. Where can I put this? Right here. So, happy Thanksgiving week, 11/25. It's the week of Thanksgiving, meaning that we have at least one day off in the market, and usually meaning that short weeks or Wall Street is on vacation right now, right? They're not really trading or blah blah blah. They're enjoying their life. So the volume is down, the volatility is usually down. So what does this mean going into the week, right? We have a holiday week, short week, and a whole lot of economic data on Wednesday, right? Look at all this. So chances are most of the moves or volatility is going to be coming in on Wednesday and just cleaner trading, right? So going into the week, I assume that we're going to be very choppy and not a trader-friendly week, especially Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Possibly Wednesday, no trading on Thursday. Um, and I'm definitely not looking forward to trading this Friday, just because it's Friday, economic data, and it's the day after Thanksgiving. I doubt there's going to be a lot of participants. So, with that being said, I recommend trading very lightly, very passively. So if you're comfortable with walking away from the charts, I would, honestly, and especially by 11 a.m. So onto the charts. This is the trade I took. I really like this reject of 6,008 and 599.26. If we get a 15-minute open under or an hourly under, that would be my confirmation. So if you saw, I think I entered like a second too late. So we got under this 6,008 first, kind of like drawing the setup, right? And then if you see on SPY, I mean, look how clean that is, that 15-minute candle, or that hourly, right? Right? Just clean. As soon as that happened, I jumped in. But what happened was, I think, if I'm gonna guess what happened, is that this flush happened so quick that we didn't get the continuation, which provided us an opportunity to get the retest, right? And then I think I hopped in somewhere right here, right when I saw like this strong, like push, I think on this candle. You can look at volume down here; it's a little bit bigger too. Lesser green volume going up, stronger volume going down. And once I saw that aggressive like snap, I saw that snap, I was like, oh, I'm hopping in on this. Now, normally I would trade 3 contracts on this specific trade. I really wanted to. I really wanted to go heavy, but I was like, we don't know. We got some choppy price action. It's not my favorite setup. If you look on SPY 5 minute, oh, was it? No, no, no. It was QQQ that was looking a little weird to me. So I was like, eh, let me play it smart, play it safe, because it's not the most ideal week. But that's pretty much it. I guess I could go into how I found my levels. So as for SPX, I feel like this is pretty clear cut. I wouldn't mark highs up here, even though that probably would have been a good spot, but because you have like these kind of two candles that bounce, I was more keen on this level right here. Why? Because there's a more definitive flush from here as opposed to up here. That's just kind of what for me plays it the most safe and guaranteed, or that's where I feel like I get the best reactions. Um, and as for the bounce, you can see it here, this strong bullish candle, bullish as hell, right here. This break and retest and go, and like this dance right here. So like up, down, retest, flush. So that's how I found my levels on SPX. As for SPY, it's the same thing as SPX right here. I guess that's just how I do my trading. Is that if I find a 15-minute or an hourly under here, and then I see it in the future here, I'm gonna go for it. Um, Same idea on SPX is where all these touches were. It might have been somewhere up here on SPX, but I don't always try to mark my levels the same as SPY and SPX. Like they move the same, but where they react is very different. So I try to use both in conjunction to find like, okay, is this have enough backed up participants or potential participants in order for this move to go where it looks like it should go. Like, does SPX and SPY are in agreement? And if they're in agreement, okay, I'll hop in. But if they're in confliction, I'll wait till they're in agreement. Like, for example, if SPX is below but SPY is above a level, I'll wait for SPX to get above and then maybe SPY for the retest and then go together. I'm just, I won't trade if there's confliction. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You see this clean 15-minute candle right above 559.26. Wow, I meant to put SPY there. And that's all I was looking for. 15 or an hourly candle. And boom, that's the hourly candle open right below. Stops really tight. I mean, I think that's why we got the reaction that we did. It just kind of just whoosh. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this isn't the prettiest amount of candles, but it did happen really, really fast. So, and other ways to trade this, you get this sell-off, and you get the pullback, like an impulsive pullback, kind of low volume, right? And then you put your stops up here, and then you enter. Or, I trade kind of level to level, not just candles. Sometimes I will use this, but with a lighter trade because the stop is just so wide. Um, I'll wait for here, enter. I got filled like somewhere right here, kind of sucked, but enter, stop here or 5-minute close above, and then let it go. And that's pretty much it. Once I got like that final push that I was looking for, I was like, I'm done. And that's it, I'm done. Like I said, be done by 11 a.m. Go do what I gotta do. And that's it. Catch you guys in the next one.